What's up, peeps? Let's get into some cryptocurrency news. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research. Today is January 12th, 2022. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone. Guys, we are gonna get this crypto money. We are gonna get these gains. Nothing's gonna stop us. Let me ask you, do you find yourself spending a lot of time on social media, browsing through Instagram for hours? Do you find yourself spending a lot of time chatting with your family on WhatsApp? Do you find yourself spending hours listening to your favorite YouTube influencers and watching YouTube videos? Do you find yourself spending a lot of time playing video games? If you answered yes to any of these things, guess what? That's the metaverse. That is what the metaverse is. Now, if you haven't heard about what the metaverse is, I don't know if you've been sleeping under a rock, but the metaverse is something that it's already here. People act like the metaverse is a new concept. It's already here. It's been here. Spending hours on social media, that is a form of being in a metaverse. Spending hours watching YouTube content, that is a form of being in the metaverse. So, if you didn't hear, Facebook, the biggest social media platform, rebranded themselves as Meta because they want to focus on the metaverse. Now, today, the project that we will talk about is a project that is based on the metaverse. Now, the project that we will talk about is called Metahero. So what exactly is Metahero? I will put a link to everything that I discussed today, and you guys can check it out for yourself. I'm not going to go through the entire article because I don't want to make the video too long. But it starts off, what's the Metaverse? You may have heard that Mark Zuckerberg changed the name of his company from Facebook to Meta. You might have seen his video regarding his vision for the Metaverse. It may have been hard to believe, after all, such ideas only show up in movies like the ones we mentioned earlier. Yet companies like Meta are set on making it real. Let's clear up what the metaverse is about, merging virtual reality into the real world. This is like if you can truly walk into the world of your favorite video games or movies. Now, Metahero. What exactly is Metahero? Robert Gryn founded this project in the first quarter of 2021. He poured the first $10 million of the Metahero so it could one day take crypto adoption to the next level. Gryn will do this by letting people scan everything, including themselves, to create realistic NFTs for the metaverse. He calls this method meta scanning. NFTs are non-fungible tokens or digital assets with ownership recorded on the blockchain that lets people have a unique unit even though there are many copies around the world. People may do this at 3D Meta Scanner. They will just need the Metahero app and some hero tokens to get started, then it can churn out an NFT within minutes. Metahero worked with Wolf Studio to make this method possible. It's a leader in 3D scanning and modeling that worked with various companies like CD Projekt KT and Disney. Metahero plans to place 12 of them across the world. Meanwhile, the project is still trying to partner with game studios and influencers for help. If it becomes real, people may get various benefits. For example, Metahero may one day allow players to truly put themselves in their favorite video games. Also, it will let people license various things so they can easily earn money from them. You can already do this nowadays. It may not be limited to art and music soon. Now, that was a pretty good summary of what exactly this project Metahero exactly is. It's basically a project that allows you to scan and take different objects and turn them into 3D metaverse objects. That is a very essential need. As the metaverse grows in popularity, you're going to want to have certain items into the metaverse. And now Metahero allows you to add even more items into the metaverse. Now, this is Coinmarketcap.com. This is the listing of Metahero. Metahero is currently ranked at number 230 on CoinMarketCap. It is on currently 370,095 people's watch list. So there is a lot of eyes on this project. That was kind of corny. Anyways, the price is currently at 10 cents, 10.86, and it's been up 5.23% in the past 24 hours. The market cap is currently at 553 million. Volume is at 9.2 million, and circulating supply is 5.1 billion. Now, it's audit certified, and like I mentioned, it's a part of VR, and also it is a Binance Smart Chain ecosystem project, so that means you could save on the gas fees, and it's also based on the metaverse and NFTs too. Now, CoinMarketCap, the all-time high was actually back on December 3rd, 2021. That was actually the same day that Bitcoin had the first major crash and the Santa rally hopes started dying. That was December 3rd. I remember that day. It was a sad day for crypto because everybody was expecting Bitcoin to hit 100,000 or more before the end of 2021. But hey, it is what it is. It's gonna hit 100,000 or more this year. Trust me. And if it doesn't, so what? That means you just get opportunity to accumulate more of your favorite projects at a cheaper price. But eventually, it will. And the all-time high was actually 25 cents, and it's been down 56% since then. Now, looking at the chart, you can see that Metahero became publicly available back in July 7th, 2021. It was at 0.0076, and now it's at 10 cents. And the all-time high was actually 25 cents, like I showed you guys. So this was some nice gains, and this project has a lot more room to grow. It's still fairly new, only launched in July of 2021. So it hasn't been out publicly that long. Now, when you look at the exchanges that it's on, it is currently on Kucoin, Gate.io, PancakeSwap. We have L Bank, CoinTiger, and all these other exchanges that it's currently on. Now, this is the BSC scan. So you can see there are currently 217,874 addresses. Yes, addresses, wallets, hodlers. Yes, a few of them are going to be exchanges, but majority of them are people that currently have this project. So what does that tell you? And also looking at how much people have it on their watch list, there are a lot of interest in this project. A lot of people like this project. And can you blame them? It's the metaverse. We know how good that the metaverse is. And it allows you to scan things and bring them into the metaverse 3D scanning. Listen, this is a needed project. Not financial advice on invest what you're willing to lose, but this is a needed project for the metaverse. And also, when you look at the audit certified, the certic results, it received a security score of 95. So this is it real quick. So all were resolved. Looks like these two haven't been resolved yet. These two right here. But the score overall is very good. And also right here is Wolf, the website. So remember, I showed you in the article, it said that they partnered with Wolf. Let me show it to you guys real quick, just as a quick reminder. So Metahero worked with Wolf Studio to make this method possible. It's a leader in 3D scanning and modeling that work with various companies like CD Project KT and Disney. So this is the website for Wolf. As you can see right here, 3D solutions. And also this is the LinkedIn page for Wolf Studio. So as you can see, they offer 3D scanning and modeling. And also, when you come to CoinMarketCap, and you click on VR, AR tokens, Metahero is currently the #2 VR, AR token that is out there. Seek VR is actually at #1. But man, these projects, some of them like Seek VR, it was around last bull run. It's been out for a few years now, but it didn't catch a lot of momentum until recently. Why? The metaverse wasn't really talked about like that. So some of these projects that were around the last bull run, which is 2017, 2018, they were a bit ahead of their time. But you see, they've been making gains prior to the crashes. Prior to Bitcoin crashing, as you can see, they were ranked really high. So there's a lot of interest, especially with the metaverse NFTs. It draw a lot of attraction from investors. So these type of projects are very good long-term holds. Now let me play for you guys a demo trailer of what Metahero is.
Imagine that this is you. Imagine that you could scan yourself into any game and be your own hero. Imagine being able to take any real-world object and perfectly copying it into the digital world. We've decided to make this vision a reality. Metahero has partnered with Wolf Studio, the inventors of 16K 3D modeling technology used by the likes of CD Projekt, the makers of Cyberpunk 2077. From 3D NFTs to digital avatars, the possibilities are truly endless with the Metahero 3D chambers, which will be placed in locations around the world. The deflationary hero token, coupled with next generation 3D technology, will set your imagination free. Welcome to the future.
Nice. I like what I see. And this is their YouTube page, so you guys can check it out and check out more information about the project and the team behind it. So these are some cool videos that they have. Their YouTube page actually has over 180,000 subscribers. This project is hot, all right? There's a lot of people that are loving this project. And the thing about this project, it's something that's very much needed. People are able to sell objects in the metaverse currently, right? So imagine being able to scan your personal items and being able to place them into the metaverse and also selling them for profit. This project, man, this project has such a bright future ahead of it, and it's solving such a major obstacle that the metaverse needs resolved. Man, things are looking good for Metahero. Things are looking good. Now, this is their Reddit page. As always, guys, whenever you're investing in a project, always check out the social media, the Reddit pages, Telegram, Discord, Twitter, whatever information you can find about a project, because you want to find out the latest developments. Make sure you're not getting involved in any type of rug pull projects. Of course, there's no guarantees in crypto, but the better the research that you do, the safer you will be. So make sure to dig in, do your due diligence, do your research, which I'm helping you guys with right now. So this is the Reddit page. As you can see, currently 10.8 thousand members. So fairly active on Reddit. You can see posts from 3 hours ago, 14 hours ago, 1 day ago, 23 hours ago. So overall, very active on Reddit. Now, another thing I wanted to show you guys was actually their Twitter page. So this is their Twitter page. You can see posts from January 10th. This is the team. They don't hide their face, right? They don't hide their face. It's a legit project. Now, the games, we don't know what the future games are going to be. Anything's possible in crypto, but this is a legit project, legit team. January 9th, this is a picture of the team. We have January 1st. So overall, very active on Twitter and giving updates about latest developments. And I love that they show their face. Now, when you come to their website, this is it right here. This is the website. This is a very cool looking 3D. It reminds me of the Matrix. I love it. I like the color scheme. So there's a website, very easy to understand, simple, straight to the point. And this is their roadmap, some of the things that they've accomplished, things that they're planning to accomplish. So they're gonna have quarter 1, 2022, they're planning on having a blockchain meetups. They're expanding the team. They're having gaming conferences, Hero Visa partnership. Hello, Hero Visa partnership. Once that gets announced, price is gonna pump up even higher. All right, trust me on that. Especially once they get listed on more exchanges. Now, also when you come to the website, this is the core team. So this was the founder, Robert Gryn, that I showed you guys earlier. He has links to his LinkedIn page and Twitter page. And this is the core team right here. And more part of the team, more members of the team, more members of the team, and they have their LinkedIn pages. So like I said, this is a legit team, legit project, legit people that are behind this project. And as you can see, they have very great experience in the crypto space. And these are the WDW team and official partners. So they have Wolf Studio, they have Tencent, and strategic advisors right here. Now, this is the LinkedIn page for Robert Gryn, the CEO and founder of Metahero. So this is his LinkedIn page. He is also the CEO of Everdome. I don't know too much about Everdome, but he's also a partner of Wolf Digital World, which I showed you guys earlier. Did some of his experiences. So he's been an advisor. So this guy is a legit person. He has a very strong background. So this is his Twitter. It's verified of Robert Gryn. You can see he's currently located in Dubai, and he has over 100,000 followers on Twitter. These are some of the pictures. Let me show it to you guys. So this is the team it looks like. So more pictures of him. And another fascinating thing that I found about him, I will put a link to this. I'm not going to read the entire article, but it says that it was an interview that they had with him. Robert Gryn is CEO, one of the fastest growing self-finance startups in Poland, Codewise. At just 30 years old, he has amassed a network of over 180 million and is number 57 on Forbes 100 richest. Did you hear that? That is a major accomplishment. Kudos to him. Kudos to him. So, like I said, this project has strong people behind it. You see the accomplishments of the CEO and founder. As he takes a couple of well-earned months off to travel the world, I ambushed him in Phuket, Thailand, to find out more about how he achieved such a feat. So this was an interview that they had with him, just to learn more about him, his business venture, and his background. I'm not going to go through it, but I'll put a link to it. You guys can check it out for yourself. So that is always fascinating. Now, this is the LinkedIn page for Metahero, the company itself. So currently there are 27 employees on LinkedIn that have them listed as their employer. So right here, these are some of the employees. I'm not going to go through everyone, but you get the idea. So it's a legit team, legit people. They have employees, and you saw the CEO. He has made over 180 million. That was just through Codewise. He has other things that startups that he's founded. So his network is most likely way over 180 million right now. And plus, he was featured on Forbes. So you know this guy wants the best for Metahero. He wants to grow it. And from the partnerships that they have, the advisors, the team, the future looks bright, all right? The future looks bright. Now, last but not least, we have to do some technical analysis. Now, looking at Hero USDT chart, I'm looking at the one on Gate.io. You can see that there's been seasons of where price goes up for a big pump, comes back down, sell off, goes up, moves sideways a little bit, consolidates, goes up, big sell off. But when you look at the overall trend, looking at the orange line, it is an overall upward trend. So it's overly going up, making new highs. And guys, unfortunately, there's so much FUD in the market. It's like not just the bears. Yes, the bears want to see price of Bitcoin down, but there's like people manipulating crypto. Like, there's no reason why Bitcoin did not hit over 100,000. Like with inflation and seeing how bad the economy is doing, there's no reason why Bitcoin did not have that Santa rally. We saw the stock market make all-time highs, and although Bitcoin is correlated to the stock market, it didn't make an all-time high. It's crazy, man. But anyways, we know long-term things will come back. So, but looking at the chart, you can see that it's had moments of creating new highs. There's a big sell-off, and then it starts retesting that high again. So, unfortunately, since December, prices of Bitcoin has been going down, which causing prices of a lot of crypto projects to go down. So this went down again, reaching these levels right here. It looks like it's been moving sideways, trying to create a level of support. So it would have to retest this level of resistance. Hopefully momentum comes back to the market. But overall, guys, based on previous history, you see that price always retests that previous high after going down, and it creates a new high. So when momentum comes, we don't know when, it's going to retest this previous high. And it's not too far away. It's practically like almost a little bit above 2x from here. So it's not bad. This project has long ways to go. It's fairly new, and it has a lot more room to grow. Now, with that being said, going back, looking at the market cap, currently at 553 million. 553 million. Some of you might be like, oh, that market cap is a little bit too big for me right now to invest. But guys, 553 million, it still has a lot more room to grow. I know that once a project starts getting around $1 billion in market cap, it starts getting listed higher and kind of struggles to grow in price. But we are in a new year. This project's on Kucoin. It's on a lot of good exchanges. This project has the right fundamental, and it's a part of the AR, VR. It's solving a problem that's needed for the metaverse. This project has all the fundamentals to surpass not only $1 billion market cap, to reach 5 billion, 10 billion, or even higher. It's already ranked pretty high for a project that's fairly new. So let's say that it were to reach a market cap of 5 billion. That is possible, looking at all the fundamentals. So 5 billion divided by 553, that would be 9x from here. So 9x times $100 investment, that would be 904. So 9x times that 0.1086, that would be around 97 cents. And of course, it can surpass the $5 billion market cap. It could be a little lower, but it could definitely surpass it. It can go even higher. Let's look at where the market cap had reached its all-time high. Unfortunately, I don't know why, but Coinmarketcap is not showing the historic market cap. But you can see that back on December 29th, it was at a market cap of 705 million. So that's pretty close to $1 billion in market cap. So this project can definitely reach that $5 billion, and it can surpass it. It has all the right fundamentals. It's solving a real world need for the metaverse. We know the metaverse is a growing space, and it's going to be here for years to come. And how cool is it to be able to scan yourself and scan your own personal items and put them in the metaverse? And can you imagine once you're able to actually sell those personal items? That is an extra form of income. Guys, this project right here, this is one of those long-term projects that you accumulate, especially right now when things are moving sideways and boring. This is one of those projects, and it has a bright future ahead of it. Things that are a part of NFT, Metaverse, we know they do amazing. So this project, man, looking at who the founder is, this project, you should be very confident if you're interested in investing. Of course, it's not financial advice. I'm not saying you have to buy it, but this is one of those projects that has all the right fundamentals to make it to the moon and beyond. So with that being said, guys, I am out.